Hey guys, Jacob and Johnny from Hobbytron here. We're back with another video airsoft review. Today, we're looking at the Weld MB08B L96 sniper rifle.
Usually this comes disassembled in the box, but for the sake of the video, we assembled it here for you. In the box though, you're going to find the cleaning rod, a sling, speed loader and Allen keys, and a sample bag of BBs.
This gun is a full metal construction with a quality ABS polymer stock. It has a tri-rail system on the front with the included bipod and a top rail system for mounting optics.
It also features a side-folding stock, fully adjustable cheek rest and monopod, as well as ambidextrous sling mounts.
The tri-rail system on the front of the L96 is very easy to remove. You simply just push this lever down and the bolt comes right out. That's great if you're on the field and you need to switch it up. Also, the magazine is 35 rounds, which is a very high capacity for a sniper rifle. Pull that back, pops right out. You can use the provided speed loader with the side mount here to load it very easily. Simply push this down here, loads in like that.
It has fully adjustable hot butt underneath the magazine release. Use the Allen key provided, it goes right in there. Let's take the sniper rifle to the shooting range.
As you guys saw, the L96 shot an average FPS of 465, and that's with .20 gram Elite Force BBs. The great thing about this sniper rifle is that it can accommodate any weight of a BB you want.
I really love the sniper rifle. The weight of it was great. All the bells and whistles are fantastic. The cheek rest, the foldable stock. It's very rare that you'll see a foldable stock on a sniper rifle. Not that you'd actually use this in a tactical situation, but it's nice to have.
If you want to know the price of this gun, click the link in the description below. And if you like this gun review and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hobbytron TV.
Hobbytron.
Where awesome happens. Boom!